Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
You begin by picking a practical stack, HTML, CSS, and JavaScript, and decide whether a framework speeds you up. Once chosen, create the project folder, initialize Git, and add index. HTML and style. CSS immediately so files exist to edit. Make sure to open a code editor and enable live reload. This saves time. Start with a minimal layout, header, main, footer. Explain why. Small iterations reduce errors and let you see progress as you code. You now construct the core pages using semantic HTML, so accessibility and SEO are built in from the start. Once done, implement responsive layout with CSS, use Flexbox or Grid for reliable alignment, and layer in variables for consistent theming. Then add JavaScript to handle interactivity, event listeners, form validation, and fetch calls for dynamic content. Make sure to test on multiple screen sizes and browsers. As you go, so logic and layout remain stable under real conditions. You finish by deploying to a static host or small VPS. Connect your repo and enable continuous deploy so updates push automatically. Then optimize, minify CSS/JS, compress images, and add meta tags for SEO and social previews. Make sure to test performance and accessibility quickly. If something breaks, inspect the browser console for errors, roll back to the last good commit, and verify cores or build step issues. This one troubleshooting tip typically resolves many
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.